Japanese Zen gardens are more than just gardens, they are tranquil spaces designed for meditation and reflection. These serene environments are meticulously crafted to provide a sense of peace and calm, allowing visitors to escape the chaos of everyday life. These gardens are inspired by Zen Buddhism and its emphasis on peace, simplicity, and the beauty of nature. The design principles focus on creating harmony between the natural and the man-made, using elements like rocks, water, and plants to represent the essence of nature. The minimalist design, often featuring carefully raked gravel, stones, and minimal planting, is meant to evoke a sense of calm and serenity. The raked gravel symbolizes water, while the stones can represent mountains or islands, creating a miniature landscape that invites contemplation. Traditional Zen gardens were often found in monasteries, serving as places for monks to meditate and connect with nature. These sacred spaces provided a backdrop for spiritual practice and introspection, helping monks to achieve a deeper state of mindfulness. Today, Zen gardens are gaining popularity in homes around the world. Homeowners are incorporating these tranquil spaces into their living environments to create a personal sanctuary where they can unwind and recharge. They offer a peaceful retreat from our busy lives. In a world that is constantly moving, having a Zen garden allows individuals to slow down and find a moment of stillness. Owning a Zen garden allows you to create a space for quiet contemplation. It becomes a personal haven where you can practice mindfulness, meditate, or simply enjoy the beauty of the natural elements around you. It is a place to escape the stresses of daily life and find inner peace. The serene atmosphere of a Zen garden can help to clear the mind and rejuvenate the spirit. Whether large or small, a Zen garden can be a source of tranquility and beauty in any setting. These gardens remind us of the importance of simplicity and the profound peace that can be found in nature. Creating your own Zen garden can be a rewarding experience. It not only provides a tranquil space for relaxation, but also allows you to connect with nature in a meaningful way. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you create your own peaceful retreat. First, choose a location. Select a quiet area with minimal distractions. This will be the foundation of your Zen garden. This could be a corner of your garden, a patio, or even a balcony. The key is to find a space where you can feel at peace. The size of the space is not as important as the feeling of peace it evokes. Even a small area can become a sanctuary. Next, plan the layout. Decide on the basic layout of your garden. Think about the elements you want to include and how they will interact. Sketch out the placement of elements like rocks, gravel beds, and plants. Remember, simplicity is key. A clutter-free design promotes tranquility. Then prepare the ground. Level the ground and remove any existing plants or grass. This step ensures a smooth base for your garden. Cover the area with landscaping fabric to prevent weeds. This will help maintain the clean look of your Zen garden. Finally, add gravel or sand. This forms the base of your Zen garden. Choose a material that complements your overall design. Pour a layer of gravel or sand, raking it into patterns that represent water ripples or flowing energy. This final touch brings your Zen garden to life. Certain elements are crucial in a Zen garden, each carrying symbolic meaning. Bonsai, these miniature trees represent resilience and the passage of time. They are meticulously pruned and shaped to reflect the beauty of nature in a compact form. Choose a bonsai species that suits your climate and the style of your garden. Some popular choices include juniper, pine, and maple, each offering unique characteristics and beauty. Moss, often used to symbolize age and the natural world. Its lush green appearance adds a sense of tranquility and timelessness to the garden. It thrives in shady, moist environments and can be encouraged to grow between stepping stones or around the base of rocks. This creates a soft carpet-like texture that enhances the garden's aesthetic. Sand patterns, the raked patterns in the gravel or sand, are not merely decorative. They're a form of meditation, allowing the gardener to focus and find peace. They represent different aspects of nature, such as water ripples or flowing energy. The act of raking itself is a mindful practice, connecting the gardener with the garden. The placement of these elements is crucial. Each item should be thoughtfully positioned to create a cohesive and serene environment. Arrange them in a way that creates a sense of balance and harmony. This balance is not just visual, but also spiritual, promoting a sense of well-being. Avoid symmetry, aiming for a more natural and asymmetrical look. This asymmetry reflects the organic and imperfect beauty of the natural world. This reflects the imperfections found in nature. Embracing these imperfections can lead to a deeper appreciation of the garden's unique character. Maintaining a Zen garden is relatively simple, adding to its overall appeal. Regularly rake the gravel or sand to maintain the intricate patterns and remove any debris. Water your bonsai regularly and fertilize it during the growing season for optimal health. Prune it occasionally to maintain its shape and encourage healthy growth and vitality. Keep the moss moist by misting it with water regularly to ensure it thrives. Remove any weeds or debris that may fall onto it to keep it pristine. Apart from these tasks, enjoy the process of caring for your Zen garden daily. It should be a meditative experience, allowing you to connect deeply with nature and find peace. Having a Zen garden offers numerous benefits for your mind and body. The tranquil atmosphere of a Zen garden can help to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting overall well-being. The garden's minimalist design encourages focus and mindfulness, making it an ideal space for meditation and reflection. Even a small Zen garden allows you to connect with nature and appreciate its beauty and tranquility. Creating and maintaining a Zen garden is a journey of discovery and personal growth. It allows you to embrace simplicity, find peace within yourself, and create a tranquil haven in your own backyard.